In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Claude AI account. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, it's really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using. So all you want to do is open up your browser of choice, and then just go to claude.com. It's going to look like this. And now you have different options. You can download the desktop app, and you can obviously continue with Google if you want to, or continue with email. So I'm already logged in, but once you basically go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you for your phone number. You're going to verify your phone number, but you can type in your email address or log in through your Google account as well. And then it's going to ask you your intent for making an account. And then it might show some onboarding cards like data and privacy guidelines and accuracy disclaimers. And then click continue. And then it's going to look something like this. And if you ever want to sign out, click your profile icon on the bottom left and then click log out. And then you can log into a new different account if you ever wanted to do that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.